Good morning, my dear students. Let's start the today's class. Today our topic is subtracting integers. Subtracting integers. Okay, the topic. Last class we already completed exercise 8.1b up to question number F, right? Now look at the question number 6. Find the new temperature for each of the following. You may need to draw the number line. No need to draw the number line. We will directly do it. Okay, we will directly do it. How to do it? Number line. Look at here. First of all, the temperature is minus 5 degrees. So whatever is given in the beginning, write it as it is. Whatever is given in the beginning, write it as it is. So minus 5 degrees Celsius. Next is that the rises. Rise means what? It is increases. So whenever rises or warm, okay, it is increases. That means what happened? You have to write it plus symbol. Okay, 15. So look at here, then it's the different symbols. Whenever the different symbols, we should subtract. So 15 plus minus 5, how much? 10. But after the subtraction, you have to check it. 15 is the big number. Before 15, plus symbol is there. So plus. If you want to write it, write it. If you don't want to write also, no problem. Now the second number is the temperature is minus 8 degrees. So whatever you have in the beginning, write it minus 8 degrees Celsius. Then is at the rises. Rise means again plus only. So plus 12 degrees Celsius. Again the different symbol. So you should subtract. So 12 minus 8 is 4. 12 is the big number. Before 12 is plus symbol. So plus only. Now the second one, third C is what? The temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius. Whatever in the beginning, write it as it is. Minus 20 degrees Celsius, and it is rises by 10 degrees. Rise means plus. So again different symbols, so we should subtract. But 20 minus 10, how much? 10. But 20 is the big number, so before 20 what symbol have? Minus. So write it minus. So whenever you subtract, after the subtraction you have to check it which is the big number. So which is the big number? 20 is the big number. So before, because always the symbols consider before the number, not after the number, right or no? So 20 considers the minus symbol, that means negative, and 10 is positive. So minus symbol. Now number D is what? The temperature is minus 3 degrees Celsius. It is rises by 8 degrees. Rises means what? Again positive. So again different symbols, subtract. But after the subtraction, 8 is the big number. So before 8 positive. So no need to write the positive symbol. Now coming to the number E. The temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. It rises by 15. So both are like before 3 what symbol plus only. So 15 plus 3, you know that directly 80 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature is 3 degrees Celsius. It falls down. Now look at the number F. What is that? The temperature is 3 degrees Celsius and falls down by 15. Falls down means it decreases. So decrease means what? Minus symbol. So again before 3 nothing means what? If you want you can write it here plus symbol, right or no? Before 3 nothing means what? Plus, and here is the minus. So different symbols we should subtract. So 15 minus 3 equal to 12, and after the subtraction you have to check it which is the big number, 15. So before 15 minus symbol is there, so minus 12 degrees. So next is what? G. 8 degrees Celsius. That means the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius. Falls down. Falls down means minus. Again 8 minus 12 equal to minus 4 degrees Celsius. Okay. H is what? The temperature is minus 4 degrees Celsius. It falls down. That means minus. Again both are same symbol. So both are same symbol means we should add. So 4 plus 5 is 9, but write the negative symbol because negative side. It moves negative sides. Now the next one is the temperature is minus 9 degrees Celsius and it falls down by 11 degrees Celsius. So minus and minus. So both are same symbols, add. So 11 plus 9 equal to 20. So then again this one also, what is this one question? The temperature is 5 degrees Celsius below 0. So below 0 means what? It should be minus 5 only. Okay. It should be minus 5 only. So minus 5 degrees Celsius and minus 16 degrees Celsius. So both are same symbols. We should add. So 5 plus 16 equal 21. Then minus symbol. Okay. Now these are the questions from your workbook. Exercise 8.1. Exercise 8.1. Question number 4. Because now you are writing the exam. So there is no homework. So we have to do it in the classwork only. What is the question? The first question is the temperature is 15 degrees Celsius and it falls down by 80. False means minus. So 15 minus 8 how much? 7 degrees Celsius. And the second question also, the temperature is 12 degrees Celsius. The temperature is 12 degrees Celsius and it falls down by 7 degrees Celsius. Okay, so minus. So 12 minus 7 equal to 5. Next question is the temperature is 9 degrees Celsius and it rises. Rises means plus. So 9 plus 2 how much? 11 degrees Celsius. Number D is the temperature is 8 degrees Celsius and it is rises by 6 degrees. So remember, rise means increase, falls means down. That means minus symbol. So 8 plus 6 equal to 14. The temperature is 3 degrees Celsius and falls down by, falls means minus. Again here before 3 nothing means what? Nothing means every time remember positive symbol. Okay, nothing means positive symbol. So here 3 is the positive, 6 is the negative. So what happened? You have to subtract. After the subtraction, check it which is the big number. So 6 is big number, before 6 minus symbol, so write minus. Okay, so like this way you have to compare the remaining questions also. Okay, number J example, the last one I explain you. The temperature is minus 9 degrees Celsius, so it is minus 9 degrees Celsius. It rises means what? You have to increase, so plus 2 degrees Celsius. So again the different symbols, so you have to subtract. So subtract, but after the subtraction you have to check it which is the big number. So 9 is the big number, before 9 minus symbol is there, so write it minus. Okay, clear? So one more time for your understanding, if it is the same symbols, add, different symbols, subtract. Example, look at here, 2 plus 7 equal to 9. Why? Because here before 2 nothing means what? You can keep it plus symbol. So same symbols or not? So whenever the same symbols, add. 2 plus 7 equal to 9, it is plus 9 only, right or no? Here minus 2 minus 7, again both are same symbols, add, so minus 9. Okay, so plus plus plus, here also minus minus minus, but you have to add only. So same symbols, add. Here what? Different symbols. Look at here, before 2 minus symbol, before 7 plus symbol. So minus 2 plus 7 how much? Subtract, but after the subtraction you have to check it which is the big number. 7 is the big number, 7 before 7 positive. So if you know want to write it positive symbol, otherwise don't need also. Now here before 2 nothing means what? Plus symbol, right or no? So plus and minus, so different symbol, subtract. So 7 minus 2 is 5, then 7 is the big number, before 7 minus symbol is there, minus. I hope you understand today's class work. If you have any more question, you can ask me in the next class. Thank you.